Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp view once photo. Let's get started. For example, first of all you have to go here in settings, right here, settings, click on settings, then look for, let me see, storage and data. And after that, manage store. And we have to look for the contact who sent you the photo. In this case, let me see here. This, and now you will be able to see the photo he sent you before. And that's it, guys. This is the way you can see the photo who sent you once. Um, And I hope you like this video, and if you have any concerns or doubts, you can put them below here in the comments. And if you like this video, please leave me your like and subscribe also, and see you next video, guys. Ciao, ciao.